Here's a cool tool I like to use whenever I'm programming. Synchronize Active Setup. So if you notice, I'm on the M1, and this is actually the, even though it's the top of the part, we're going to cut the bottom first. And what I want this to do is show me the bottom, not the top. An easy way to do it with Synchronize Active Setup. Select Sync View with Active Setup. That'll show me the bottom. So that's cool. The other problem I have with this one is we make 3 at a time. So I want to show all 3 bodies. So to do that, sync visibility with active setup. Now that'll show me the 3 bodies. And then if I go to the M2, it'll switch to the 2 bodies for the M2 because we kind of change it up between the M1s and the M2s. And then the other thing that's really helpful is how the ViewCube's on the bottom. I want to change that to the top. So sync ViewCube with active setup. So now the ViewCube is always showing the top. And if I switch between the M1s and the M2s, the top will change every time. But it's just a really easy way to make programming a little faster. It's kind of nice being able to just to quickly see what you're actually going to be machining and not have to select different bodies every time you switch between your M1 and your M2. This will automatically do it for you.